Hey guys, hey, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, Tiffany and I went to Country Market, the store across the street, and we got just a couple things. Like we went to go get some coffee, but I found a couple of other things that I wanted to pick up, so I thought I would show you. And prices, because I was asked to show the prices in my hauls, so I didn't need any meat or anything like that. I still have a lot in the freezer, just drinks and just like little things for lunches. So I just picked up a couple of things. And I've been really craving eggs lately, thinking about doing an egg fast. Not quite sure if I want to do it or not, because I like bacon too. Can I do an egg fast and a bacon fast? Will that work? I don't know. Either way, that's what I had for dinner tonight, eggs and bacon. That's what I had for dinner last night, eggs and bacon. Anyways, let's get on with this. Just at Country Market, doing a little bit of shopping. I got my 2 good yogurts, some cottage cheese, gotta get the coffee, some eggs, bacon, salami, pepperonis. These are for the kids. They're on sale, 59 cents.
This is mine too.
Yeah, so we're about to approach the best part of the place. I don't need any. I still have some. Just saying. I still love it. Peanut butter fudge. They don't have the strawberry here, which was what I wanted to grab.
Oof, that's sad.
But peanut butter fudge.
Ew,
Let's see. I have vanilla. No, I didn't get vanilla. I've tried butter pecan. I have chocolate at home. I've tried coffee chip, cookie dough, mint chip. I've not tried the butter fudge or whatever. But I do want some Zevias. Been craving. No. Nope, I want a Zevia. Where'd they move them to? They used to be right here. I've been craving Zevia. Oh, where are they? Tiffany, where are the Zevias? Oh my god. What's happening?
Attack, please.
They used to be right here. Where'd they go?
Hashtag save the turtles.
Tiffany, where's the Zevias?
I don't like this place anymore because they have plastic straws. Hashtag save the turtles.
Oh my god, Tiffany, where's the Zevias? Oh my god, how dare they? No, I wanted to see if they had strawberry. They don't have strawberry.
Roasted.
It's a sign of pregnancy. Right? She said most of it all. Is it on sale? It is. 99 cents.
That Michigan Faygo.
Where is it?
Cherry Dr. Pepper makes me think of Keto Diamond and her sugar-free diet cherry Dr. Pepper. Oh god, this is the best. The best. Is this? What? Is this sugar-free? Sucralose. You know what? I'm gonna buy this. This is sugar-free chocolate syrup.
Oh my god, we live for the quality.
This is a good brand. I love this.
Your hoodie, though.
Yeah, I know. I need a new one. It's all ripped up. Can't put that in the cart.
Marshmallow.
Verner's, another Michigan. Verner's is so good, you guys.
Marshmallow.
So good.
We don't live for that.
Ooh, I love cherries. I wish I could eat them so badly. We need to stop recording this. This is torture. Look at that. I wish I could drink that. Why can't they make that in a diet? Why can't they make that flavor in a diet?
This?
Yeah.
Can I have some?
Okay, get
This
this.
is my favorite.
Get this.
Latte.
We'll try that one.
Can I have my original?
No, you can have the diet one. You don't need the sugar either. You don't need the sugar either. Come on.
I'm not drinking this.
Then I guess I'll sip my tea in front of you.
I don't care. It's not real tea. It's SNAIL. Get it. Celebrate.
Hmm?
I said brain cells are quaking. See, look. Disgusting. Hashtag save
Aren't these?
us. Mom.
No, I thought they were hard plastic.
Good. Don't touch those. Paying attention. There's the Snapple. Yes. But
Show all the bangs.
gorgeous. Oh, sorry.
Don't hold
It's tilting.
Gotta hold it the right way.
Okay, sorry. Here, I'll fix my collar.
I don't need any bangs because I still have some.
Bang! You've been shot. There's a person. Stop making me
Maybe I
record.
will get. I did try this one and I liked it. I got this and cotton candy.
OG flavor.
Hello. Those are my favorites.
Yeah, of course.
What happened?
Tiny people. See, real OG sample that I actually want, not
These are good too. Those are
Fiji.
no,
Oh,
those
these.
hints. Those are very good.
Amazing.
Expensive, $3 for $4.
Cash.
Actually, that's not a good deal. $3 for $4 on those are usually much more expensive.
Love the store.
Don't wiggle it
I'm
around.
sorry, I was just showing the water. When they're hiding, carbonation is clicking.
No, that's a lot of sugar. It says no sugar added, but that every time I come here, I always look to see if they have the Atkins peanut butter cup, and they never do. They never, ever do. All right, so Country Market isn't the cheapest of places, but it is not horrible. I don't prefer to go shopping here unless I'm only picking up a few things that I know that they have that Aldi doesn't or Walmart doesn't, etc. Plus, it is right across the street, and Walmart and Meijer are both by each other, but they are across town. So,
Mom, I remembered. Isn't Country Market like something that's only in ADRIAN?
it's only in Michigan. All right, so first thing, I really like those, what are they, panino cheese wraps. They are usually wrapped in like dry salami or pepperoni. So I decided I was gonna make kind of like my own minis.
Yes,
So
yes.
I got some, stop, he doesn't want you to pull his tufts.
I had to get it. It was bothering me. I got it.
Linky, you don't like it. You don't like it, buddy. Yes. He likes to sit on the bench and make me pet him while I do these. So, oh, buddy. Okay. I guess, guys, we have to take a moment to just pet Link.
He got mad when you stopped. He always gets mad when you stop.
All right. Anyways, string cheese was $6.67 for this. There is 24 individually wrapped cheeses. These things go by so fast in my home. So fast. 1 carb for 1 stick. So 24 of those. I picked up some Hillshire Farms Italian dry salami, which was, this is 1 carb for 5 slices. Well, how much was this? Hillshire Farms. This was $3.99. I didn't want the gigantic pieces of salami. I just wanted these, and yeah, I love salami. Oh, I could live off of salami. Next thing I got, I really enjoyed these the last time I got them. These thick sliced pepperoni snacks. 6 slices, 0 carbs. They're very good. I really like cutting up some cheese with these and just eating them just together like that. And those, the pepperoni pack was $4.49. Then I got some more bacon. This also was $4.49. Let's get these out of the way. Picked up 2 more bangs. They were 2 for $3, so I really like this flavor. I would describe Lemon Drop as if you were to have a lemon head and suck off all of the sugary, sour outside and just have the sweet inside. This is what Lemon Drop tastes like to me. And then cotton candy, these are my favorites. So I got 2 of those. I got 3 of the 2 Good yogurts. These are for at work. I really like putting a little bit of almond butter or peanut butter in here for that. That's the strawberry one, and then the and then the blueberry one. The Two Good yogurts were $1.39 each. Picked up some cottage cheese. That's also going to be for, my kids really like it, but I also like to have cottage cheese. So I picked up this for like work as well. However, for, this serving size, usually it's the serving size is a tablespoon or 2 tablespoons. This is half a cup for 5 carbs. I guess I could have looked at a different kind because usually they're not that high in carbs. I might let the kids have more of that. Anyways, that cottage cheese was $2.49. I picked up the Zero Powerade Zero, no calories, no sugar. That was, I didn't realize it was 2 for $8.88, but I only got 1, so $4.44. I picked up this Walden Farms chocolate syrup, which is very good, and it is everything zero. It is made with sucralose, but other than that, and if that doesn't kick you, I say give this a try. I can have sucralose, so I will definitely be using this when I do decide to go back to eating some of my ice cream, my Red Bull Creamery ice cream. Taking a break from eating it right now. I was really craving some Zevias because I keep seeing everybody making videos with them. I used to buy these all the time. I stopped buying because they were kind of pricey, and I actually became okay with drinking sparkling waters. I wanted the strawberry one that I seen Aaron get, and but yeah, this is my second favorite, the ginger root, and this was $4.49 plus a 60-cent deposit. In Michigan, we have a deposit when we return our cans and beer bottles and carbonated drinks. We get 10 cents back per can. So I got those. I got 2 of the Starbucks iced coffees. These were $4.97 each. And then I got the raspberry diet Snapple for Tiffany and I, even though she complained in the store that she wouldn't drink this. I bet you she does.
I don't like the diet.
You drank it the last time. And this was $5.49. It was 2 for $10.98, but again, I don't need to. I just got one. And then I got these eggs because we're going through a lot of eggs this week. And these eggs were $4.99. So, or no, they weren't $4.99. They were $3.99. So that is what I got. Besides, I did get a couple of other things for the kids. Like this was on special for 59 cents. Originally like $1.60. So, and Tiffany already ate hers and Peyton ate his, and they said that they were really good. However, I mean, I can't eat this, of course. I wish I could because it looks really good on the inside there. And then she also got this Silk dairy-free yogurt alternative made with soy. It was, I don't care about the carbs because we're not eating it. I'm trying to see the price.
Right there. It's not in here. It just says today's special.
Yes, it is. It's right there. 69 cents.
Oh.
So, yeah, guys, that's what I got today at Country Market. And I think you could say I was a little bit thirsty.
You also got these.
Oh, she got some mechanical pencils. All right. That's all. See you in the next one, guys.